We are here today and I'm going to show you how we clean and store our Styrax seeds. So these were collected last month and as you can see they look just like this. So this has got 2 layers of shell into it and we need to break that off to be able to clean them and then store them. So what you do, just get a knife and just take off that top layer, and then you can see the shell, the seed is revealed. So you peel that off. And in this one we've got two seeds. So just because they've been stored in this bag and they've gone a little bit off, they've gone a little bit mouldy, we will just put them in some water just to clean them. And as you can see there's a few in there already, and then this is your seed. After that we'll just dry them off for a few hours and then we'll pop them into a bag of substrate. So this is in here, so we've got some substrate and some perlite. And that is damp, it's moist, but it's not, you don't want it to be like wrung out wet, just moist. Put those in there. So we'll pop a few in there, have a few different bags, and then this will live in the fridge. And I usually put that in the fridge until the spring, and then in the spring they are sewed into the benches. That's a bench that's closed topped so nothing can get in, but lots of light and lots of air can get in, and we leave them in there. And then we've just potted up this year, so it takes about, what's that, about 9 months, and you should have a one year plant.